Hello my dear friends, welcome to my channel PSC Infotech. Today I am going to share SQL basic interview questions and answers with you. This is part 5 of SQL interview questions and answers series. These are very basic interview questions. Any interviewer first check your fundamentals. If your fundamentals are clear, then your chance of selection is very high. So you must prepare these interview questions before go to any interview. Now let's start with question number 1. How to add identity in a column in SQL? We can set the identity property to a column either when a table is created or after table creation. Example, add identity property when the table is created. Create table person ID int identity 11, name varchar 20. So identity 11 means start with 1 and incremented value is 1. So example 2, add identity column after the table has been created. So create table person int name varchar, alter table person, drop column person ID, alter table person, add person ID int identity 11. Here we alter the person ID column with identity and the starting value is 1 and incremented value is 1. What is a primary key? A primary key is a column or set of columns which is uniquely identify a row. Primary key values cannot be null. Using primary key, we can access data quickly. Primary key manage the physical order of a table, so it is one and only one in a table. So see in the below student detail table, roll number is primary key. So in roll number there is a unique value 101, 102, 103 and so on. What is a unique key? Unique key is a key which is uniquely identify each record in a table. This provides uniqueness for the column or set of columns. Unique key value may be null. We can add multiple unique key in a table. So suppose ID is a primary key, then we add Aadhaar number as a unique key, PIN number as a unique key, email ID as a unique key, phone number as a unique key. What is the difference between primary key and unique key? Primary key uniquely identify each row in a table. It cannot accept null values. Only one primary key is available in a table. Primary key creates clustered index. Unique key uniquely identify each row in a table which is not primary key. It can accept one null value. We can add more than one unique key in a table. Unique key creates non-clustered index. What is foreign key? A foreign key is a column or set of columns whose value match a primary key in another table. A foreign key is used to link two tables together. A foreign key may be null. So see the below example, there is two tables, customers and customer orders. So in customer table, ID is primary key and customer orders ID is foreign key. So here customers table is parent table and customer orders table is child table, and both table are linked with ID column. What is the difference between primary key and foreign key? Primary key, it uniquely identify a record in a table. Only one primary key is allowed in a table. It cannot contain null value. Its value cannot be deleted from the parent table. Foreign key, it is a field in a table which is the primary key in another table. More than one foreign key in it allowed in a table. So we add multiple foreign key in a table. It can contain duplicate value and null values also. Its value can be deleted from the child table. What is the full syntax for the select statement in SQL? Select start with top clause and we use our different columns name. Then from table we use, then apply where condition. After that we use group by expression. Then after we use having condition. And lastly we add order by. So order by is always last in our select statement. What are clauses and their need in SQL? If you want to provide the SQL query with some additional functionality such as filtering the records, sorting the records, fetching the records and grouping the records, then you need to use the SQL clause along with the SQL query. In simple word, we can say that SQL clause are used to provide some additional functionality. Example, select star from employee where city equal to Mumbai. Second example, select star from employee where gender equal to male, order by name descending. So here we filter the record with male gender and show the data in descending order by name. What are the different type of clauses in SQL? SQL Server supports following 5 clauses. Where clause, so where clause basically filtering the records in a table. Order by clause, this clause is used for sorting the record in ascending or descending order. Top clause is used fetch top n records from table. Group by clause is generally used for grouping a set of rows. Having clause filter the data like where clause. So see the example 1, select star from employee where city equal to Mumbai. Second example, select star from employee where gender equal to male, order by name descending. Select top 30% name from person, order by name ascending. So it's show the only 30% record from whole table. Select city, gender, sum, salary as total salary from employee, group by city, gender. So basically it group the record by city and gender, these 2 columns. What is the difference between where and having clause in SQL? Where clause cannot be used with aggregate functions. Where clause is used for filtering individual rows on a table. Where comes before group by. Where clause filter rows before aggregate calculation are performed. Where clause can be used with select, insert and update statements. Having clause can be used with aggregate functions. Having clause is used to filter groups. Having comes after group by. Having clause filters groups after aggregate calculation are performed. Having clause can only be used with the select statement. Thanks my dear friends for watching this entire video. Hope you have enjoyed with this video. Please feel free to comment if you have any query or question in your mind. I will give you answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more latest videos. All the best. Thank you very much. Bye bye.